Hey guys, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition, Louisiana. I'm here at a house we're purchasing. We're in the Bywater, Orleans Parish, or the North, Bywater, just a little bit past St. Claude. So this house was owned by some investors. It was a rental. There was a fire in it at the back, which I'll show you in a second. And the house has been broken into, so they stole the fireplace. The nice historic fireplaces, they took the mantle out. So they just wanted to sell it for cash as is. They didn't want to fix it up. They've flipped before, so they have the ability to fix it, but they just don't want to. It's in a partnership. They're just ready to move on and sell it. So they reached out to us, and we were able to come to terms on price, and we buy it cash as is. We like to buy houses like this where it's clearly issues. It's definitely not ready to sell to a homeowner. But we like to be able to come in because we can add value, right? Because we have crews, etc., and can fix these things up, and that's how we can make our money. So we can still pay you a fair price, but instead of you spending your money to fix up the house, we put it in, and because we do this very often, we generally can do it cheaper and more effective. So you see, there's a fire out here. This little lean-to had, you can see, was quite burnt. Luckily, it didn't spread too far into the main house. I've definitely seen worse than this, but yeah, this really copped it. So, obviously, gotta watch my step here. Yeah, obviously, not in great shape. But like I said, that is okay. That is okay. So look guys, if you have a house like this that you want to sell, just it's damaged and you just don't want to spend the time doing it, reach out to us, Home Buyer Louisiana. We pay cash, we buy as is. We're not waiting for bank financing. A bank's not going to approve financing on this. Maybe on a 2 or 3K construction loan, which takes a long time to approve and very finicky. So when you reach out to us, we use our cash, so we can close fast, make it real easy for you, and it's a real simple, easy process. So reach out to us, homebuyerlouisiana.com. Thanks guys.